Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Starting with the sweet name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful, benevolent, and compassion. As you know, today we will have a topic of present continuous tense. So, in previous lecture, I have discussed present simple tense as well as the cases of present simple tense, and today our topic is just the present continuous tense structure. So, the first thing is structure. I told to you people that in previous lecture, focus on structure first. If you know about the structure of tense, you can make a lot of sentences easily. So the first thing is structure here. So the first one, positive structure, is there. That is, keep in mind in present continuous tense you must be put the subject after the subject to be. To be verbs like is, am, are. Clear? So after the subject you put is, am, are, but it depend upon is. You put is with he, she, at. Clear? And singular noun like Ali. And am you can put with I, and are you can put just with we, or we and they, as well as with plural nouns. Clear? Like Ahmad and Ali are, then you use are. He is. Clear? She is, it is, Ahmad is. और एम जो है हमारे पास आई के साथ, सिर्फ आई के साथ हम क्या करेंगे, एम को फुट करेंगे. तो ये हमारे पास क्या है, इनका जो है इनके साथ कैसे सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे. अब आए नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर की तरफ. तो नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर आप लोगों को सामने नज़र आ रहा है. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, सब्जेक्ट लगाएंगे. सब्जेक्ट के बाद जो है हम क्या करेंगे, इज़ नॉट लगाएंगे. इज़, इजेंट और इज़ नॉट लगाएंगे. सही है. और एम जो है इसी तरह आर है, उसके बाद हम फिर नॉट लगाएंगे और रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस होगा जिस तरह जो हम आगे करते हैं. बट कीप इन माइंड, इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यू मस्ट बी पुट with the first form of verb ing. in every continuous tense, आपको जहाँ पे भी continuous tense नज़र आएगा तो आप वहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ आप जो है ing फुट करेंगे. क्लियर? और बाकी जो है रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस आगे जो भी आप फुट करेंगे सही रहेगा. यहाँ तक आपकी जो टेंस है उसकी सेंटेंसेस बन जाती हैं. सही है. जिस तरह आप लोग खुद देख सकते हैं, ये मैंने आप लोगों को जो है दो तीन जो है फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल जो यूसेज है इन स्ट्रक्चर्स की आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द लास्ट वन जो है ये हमारे पास वेरी फॉर्मल है. सही है. तो उसको हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. अब आए एग्जांपल्स की तरफ. तो हम कैसे एग्जांपल, अब आपको आपकी जहन में जो है जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो सारे आपके जहन में अब आपको याद हो गया. ईजी है स्ट्रक्चर. जब आपने जहन में रख दिया है तो आसानी से आप बहुत से सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं. जैसे कि कैसे, लाइक शी इज़ गोइंग टू बी शावर. सो हियर इज़ शी. आफ्टर द शी आई पुट हेयर इज़. एंड go is the first form of verb and I put with the first form of verb ing here. So she is going to be shower. So it is the present continuous tense. The next one, they are taking the class. They are taking the class. They are taking the class. Take is the first form of verb and I put here ing. So they are, and with they I put here are. With they, we, and plural noun. Take is the first form of verb and I put here ing. So they are, and with they I put here are. With they, we, and plural noun you must be put are, not is and not am. Clear? The third one, am I going to be shower? So this are what, this is the interrogative sentences. I forget it the negative sentence, but you can make this sentence like she is going to be shower, so she is not going to be shower. So that is the negative sentence. They are taking the class. They are taking the class, so they are not taking the class. So that is the negative sentence of present continuous tense. The last one is interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences, am I going to be shower? So you must be put is, am, are. You need to be verbs you must be put before the subject. Where? Before the subject. In that case, when you are going to make the interrogative sentences. Clear? Like how, is she going to be shower? Are they taking the class? Clear? Am I going to be shower? So that are the interrogative sentences. So thank you so much. It was the structure of present continuous tense. For the cases, you watch upcoming video. Inshallah, in the fourth one lecture, inshallah, I will discuss about the present continuous tense structure. Thank you so much. See you at next lecture.